Hi, hello. Welcome to this studio vlog. I am super excited to announce that this video is actually sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey. I've been using Skillshare for I don't know how long, and I've learned a lot through taking so many different classes. Recently I discovered the class by mihan. I don't know if I pronounced her name correctly. She talks about color theory, color palettes, and which colors work the best together. For me personally, that was just the right class because I do have quite some problems when it comes to choosing the colors that I want and that they work well together and don't look weird. I waste a lot of time on just doing that. So this specific class is very helpful for me. If you want to sign up for Skillshare but don't want to pay for it yet, there is a link for the first 1,000 people who get 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free. Yeah, so if you want to make 2020 a year where you can get creative and explore new things, try new mediums, then go to Skillshare and start now, because we all have so much free time on our hands, and why not use it in a productive way and learn something new? It's not a bad thing. Click the link, be fast before all the places are gone, and yeah, so let's jump into the studio vlog. Also, I lost my contacts after filming, that's why I'm wearing glasses. That's kind of embarrassing. Okay, bye!
sind jetzt nicht mehr so, wie sie mal waren. Sieh dir das an.
My name is milkcloud, and I'm an illustrator and designer based in Europe. I love working with colors, and that's why in this class I would like to share with you some fun exercises with different... This color is often perceived as happy and enthusiastic, and it's also often associated...
Such a fun time. The past couple of months. Oh, sorry, I'll stop now. Anyways, this is in Washington, D.C., which is expensive. Gonna get a good old painting montage.